Hey guys, if you wonder that why is parts and service history is not showing on your iPhone, then here's a quick answer. In settings and general section, you will find the about, and where you may find the parts and service history if your any part, any hardware part has been replaced or repaired. So then you will get the parts and service history. But if your iPhone is fully covered and it doesn't open yet and no parts has been replaced or repaired on your iPhone, then you won't get this option, parts and service history option, on your about section. So actually there is no history for your parts replacement or repairing, so that's why it is not showing that option on your about section. So that's the quick answer for you. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and take care of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Till next time.